Okay, dear students, already organic, physical and inorganic. These are the three parts of our chemistry which is there our plus 2 second year syllabus. But our course is physical chemistry. So physical chemistry already solid states are completed and the second one is a chemical kinetics. So ए केमिकल काइनेटिक्स मु आज ही कंप्लीट कर सारा फिर भी जस्ट 10-15 मिनट्स भितर मुझे केमिकल काइनेटिक्स रे ना कौन सब सब पॉइंट फ्यू पॉइंट्स गुड़ाक रही एगेन थे सर्टकट करके रिमाइंडर कर दूसरी. आई होप यू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स आर लिसनिंग प्रॉपर्ली. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ टू रिवाइज फॉर व्हेन if we know the chemical kinetics of few point of importance points, we by hearted or we remember, then like this we will be practice. Okay, please, I hope you all of you got my point. Okay dear students, so what chemical kinetics, chemical kinetics पिला मैंने मु केमिकल काइनेटिक्स जहाँ भी एबे कही जी ऑलरेडी मु क्लास रे एक्सप्लेन कर देछि. एबे पूरा स्पीडली कही जी तार मेन मेन पॉइंट खाली लिखि लिखि गारे गारे पळेबी. सो आई होप मु आशा करुँच तुम मैंने समस्त शुणव ये वीडियो देखिए बोरिंग हम ना. ये वीडियो लास्ट पर्यंत शेष पर्यंत जब देखिले पूरा एंटरटेनमेंट लगे. ओके, एमती मजा रहस्य थी. ओके ना देख केमिकल काइनेटिक्स ऑलरेडी मु कही केमिकल काइनेटिक्स इज ए ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री व्हिच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन. व्हाट रेट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन, रेट माने सो what I told you dear students in our beginning classes or first classes, rate means what? Everything has a set and fixed rate for a given chemical reaction. If reactant is accelerated to form a product, then the time taken is known as a rate. Yes or no? So on the basis of rate, the chemical reactions are classified into three parts. One is instantaneous reaction, second one is a moderate reaction, third one is a slow reaction. Okay, so instantaneous reaction means what dear students? Instantaneous reactions are the reaction which are completed at once. For example, silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride, then it gives us a white precipitate of a silver chloride and a sodium nitrate. This is the example of instantaneous reaction. Moderate reactions are the reactions which are completed neither be slow nor be speed. Okay, example of moderate reaction, ethyl acetate is reacts with sodium hydroxide, then it gives a sodium salt of acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. This is the moderate reaction, and glucose also. Many examples are there. I hope you all are follow this. Slow reaction means slow reactions are the reactions which can take part in a long time. Okay dear student, no doubt slow reaction means example of when iron is passed with water. Iron is passed with water molecule, then it gives a iron oxide and a 4 volume of hydrogen. So this is the slow reaction. Okay, after completed on the basis of rate, the chemical reactions are classified into three types. Then another point is the rate of reaction. What I told you, rate of reaction means the rate of reaction. Consider a general example. A gives rise to B. That means the amount of reactant species is consumed or the amount of product species is formed per unit time at a given particular reaction is known as a rate of reaction, or R proportional A. So R equal to minus dA by dt equal to plus dB by dt. This is the formula. Yes or no dear students? So here many examples also there. Already we are done that one. Okay, next rate of reaction after negative sign of a significance or significance of a negative sign. Significance of negative sign means what? As we know very well, for a given chemical reaction, the rate of reaction depends upon the molar concentration of reactant species, or for a given chemical reaction the reactant species is decreased and a product species is formed. Then the initial to final, then we are getting negative sign. Okay, next negative sign after what? Unit of a rate of reaction. What is the unit of rate of reaction? We know very well rate of reaction means concentration per time. Concentration unit also mole per liter by time, then we are getting mole liter inverse second inverse. This is the unit of a rate of a reaction. Okay, next mathematical expression for rate of reaction. The mathematical expression of mathematical rate of reactions are two sets is there. One is a same stoichiometric coefficient of all the reactants and products, another is a non-stoichiometric coefficient of all the reactants and products. Same stoichiometric coefficient means what dear students? For a given chemical reaction means the reactants is how much volume, the product side also same volume is there. If the reactant and product volume is same is there means that is same stoichiometric. But if reactant and products are different volume is there, means they are non-stoichiometric reaction. Okay. So next, after completed the mathematical expression of rate of reaction, then on the basis of rate there are certain numericals are there. Yes or no? What are the certain numericals? That certain numericals are based upon the rate of disappearance and the rate of appearance. Rate of disappearance means what I told you, dear students, the last class. Rate of disappearance is similar, is based on the reactant species. Rate of appearance is based on the product species. And shortcut method, I hope you are remember. Okay. Then here some 2-3 numericals are there. After this numerical, then the sub points are coming. Average rate. What do you mean by average rate? Average rate means what? Average rate is defined as the change in concentration of reactant or product of a given chemical reaction per unit time is known as average rate. Another is instantaneous rate. What? Instantaneous rate. Instantaneous rate means what? Instantaneous rate may be defined as the rate of reaction is defined as the rate of change of concentration of only one of the product or reactants for a particular temperature. Okay, this is known as instantaneous reaction. Instantaneous reactor, after importance, the 3-mark question will become factors affecting influence the rate of chemical reaction. What are the some important factors? First one is concentration of reactant, second one is temperature, third one is nature of reactant, fourth one is catalyst, fifth one is radiation. Already we explained this one. We were explained our last class many times. Yes or no, dear students? I hope you all people shall know that. Okay. So this is the, I hope, 3-mark long question. The factor influencing the rate of a reaction. Then what? Rate constant. Rate constant means what? I told you. Rate constant is defined as a coefficient of proportionality relating the rate of a chemical reaction at a given temperature to the concentration of reactants or to the product of the concentration of reactants. Or consider a general example: small a capital A, small b capital B, then it gives rise to small c capital C plus small d capital. Then R proportional like this, R equal to K is given. This, so this K is known as our rate constant. Okay. Then the characteristic of a rate constant. Characteristic of rate constant means what? Different reaction have different values of rate constant at a given temperature, given temperature. The characteristic of rate constants, there are certain points are there. Already you know that points. Or one important statement is in there. The unit of rate constant is a time inverse or a second inverse. Please remember. Okay. Then rate constant after what? Rate law. Rate law means what, dear students? Actually the rate law gives the rate of reactions. Or the rate law is experimentally determined and can be used to predict the relationship between the rate of reaction and concentration of the reactants. Is known as a rate law. Here also example is there. Find out the rate of reaction. Find out. Okay. Next is coming molecularity of a reaction and order of a reaction. Molecularity of a reaction means what, dear students? The molecularity of a reaction is defined as the number of molecules or atoms or ions which collide simultaneously to bring about a chemical reaction is known as molecularity of a reaction. This molecularity of reactions are 3 types. One is unimolecular, bimolecular, trimolecular. Unimolecular means single reactant species, bimolecular means 2 reactant species, trimolecular means 3 reactant species. This is the molecularity of a reaction. The characteristic of a molecularity means what, dear students? Molecularity of a reaction is a single step of a complex compound reactions. Or molecularity is a whole number and it is never or fraction or 0. Yes or no? The molecularity of a reaction does not exceed 3. ये 3 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाएगा. ठीक है? This is the molecularity of a reaction. Next, dear students, order of reaction. Order of reaction may be defined as sum of the powers of the concentration of reactants is known as order of reaction. This order of reaction also first order, second order, third order, 0 order, fractional order. First order means single reactant species, second order means second 2 reactant species, third order means, and 0 order means catalysts do not influence the rate of chemical reaction. Example, H2 plus Cl2 in all photochemical reaction is known as a 0 order reaction. Already I told you. Then fractional order means those reactants are in the form of fractional form. Okay, is known as a fractional order. Here also the unit of rate constant, first order, second order, third order, already we are done this one. I hope you all people shall remember. Next important term is their integrated rate equation. Integrated rate equation means what? The concentration dependence of a rate is called differential rate equation. When we integrate this differential rate equation, then we are getting a relationship between a directly molar concentration at different time and rate constant. This is the integrated rate equation. Then the long question is come. Integrated rate expression for zero order reaction. Already I told you the mathematical expression. Zero order reaction means what? In zero order reaction, the rate of reaction is proportional to the zero power of the concentration of reactants. That means R proportional like this, 0 R equal to K to the power 0, where K is equal to rate constant. Here mathematical term is there. When we have the mathematical term, the finally point we are given K equal to molar concentration of A0 minus initial concentration of A by T. This is the rate expression for a zero order reaction. Then half-life period. Half-life period means what? Half-life period is the time in which half of the substance has reacted. Then the half-life period of zero order reactions, we are getting T half equal to molar concentration of A0 by 2K. This is the equation reaction. Okay, I hope you all are remember. Okay, dear students, next. Integrated rate expressions for first order reaction. According to first order reaction, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the molar concentration of single reacting substance. Consider A gives rise to products are proportional. Here also mathematical expression is there. Then the rate expressions of a first order reaction, the equation we are getting K1 equal to 2.303 by 2 log A by A minus X. Yes or no? Then its half-life period is what? So T half equal to 0.693 by K. This is the half-life period of a rate expression of a first order reaction. Then on the basis of a rate expression first order, second order, then some importance what numericals are there. That numericals also, the numericals madhya hame 2-3 kon practice karithile. After completed the numericals, then again long question is coming. Collision theory of reaction. According to collision theory of reaction, reactants are made up of molecules. Molecules are always in a state of random motions. Collision frequency is the number of intermolecular collision taking place per unit volume per second at a given temperature. Like this statements are there. I hope you all people shall remember. Read 2 or more times you read and you remember, and again you write your examination, board examination. Okay, dear students, the collision theory of reaction rate is a long question, and failure of collision theory also we explained. And after last one is activation energy. Activation energy means what? The difference between average energy and what? Threshold energy. Threshold energy means what? The minimum amount of energy that is required to bring about a chemical reaction is known as a threshold energy. Threshold energy represented by the letter ETH. Average energy represented by the letter ER. Activation energy is represented by the letter EA. Okay, so here also what? Activation application also there. Application 2-3 points is there. You write that one. Last one is, dear students, Arrhenius equation. What? Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation which one? K equal to A into e to the power minus A by RT, where K equal to known as rate constant, A equal to frequency factor, EA equal to known as activation energy, time T equal to time, R equal to universal gas constant, and e to the power minus A by RT is a Boltzmann factor. Okay, dear students, this Arrhenius equation again we have to multiply or derive an expressions for the rate constant for first order, rate constant of suppose K1 and T1 or K2 or T2. Then finally we are getting the log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 bracket T2 minus T1 by T1 into T2. This is the chemical kinetics. Dear students, whatever the chemical subtopics or importance is there already ମୁଁ ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ explain କରି କହିଦେଲି. आशा करुँची मुझे स्पीडली प्रैक्टिस कली तुम मैंने एमती स्पीड प्रैक्टिस कर. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, केमिकल काइनेटिक्स इज ओवर. नोट्स मेंटेन्स कर, क्लियर कर, सब भल भाव में लेख, एग्जाम रे काम देव. जो मैंने नोट्स फट्स किसी लिखिन भावुच पूरा अलसुआ हो से तुम एग्जाम रे जिंगाला हम देख मो कथा लगिज से मो कथा शुण, अमान्य कर नहीं, पढ़ापढ़ी कर, ठीक ठाक कर. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू, रही बाय.